Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Creative Tips. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create an amazing glitch effect in Photoshop. So any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, create two copies of this layer, hit Ctrl J. I'm gonna select this layer and double click on this layer to open the layer styles. So after that, under the layer styles, I'm gonna uncheck off green channel and hit OK. After this, move this layer into the left like this. So again, double click on this layer to open the layer style. On this layer, I'm gonna uncheck off your red channel and hit OK. So again, drag this layer into the left like this. After this, select them all these layers, right click and convert to smart object. Again, right click on this layer for convert this layer into rasterize. So after that, select your marquee tool and create a selection like this. Zoom in. Take your move tool and move into the left like this. After that, hit Ctrl D to deselect your selection. I'm gonna again create a selection like this and take your move tool. So like this. After that, create a selection of this part, take a move tool and drag into the left. So I'm gonna again select my rectangular marquee tool and select of this part and take my move tool and move into the left like this and hit Ctrl D to deselect my selection. Create a selection of this part and again take my move tool and move into the right. Zoom in like this and like this. After that, again hit Ctrl D to deselect your selection and create a selection of this part like this. Again take your move tool and move into the right like this. Again Ctrl D to deselect your selection. After this, again select your rectangular marquee tool and create a selection of this part like this. Again take your move tool and move this part into the left. Again hit Ctrl D to deselect your selection. I'm gonna create a selection of this part and take our move tool to move this part into the left. Again hit Ctrl D to deselect your selection. After this, again create selection of this part like this and take our move tool to move this part into the right like this. It's a pretty good, and hit Ctrl D to deselect your selection. That you can see here, my glitch effect has been created. So you can use this effect in any poster and any situation. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.